Today we are going to start with the chapter Exploring Science, and in this chapter we are going to discuss some interesting inventors. Now you have to try these inventors. They have make their name. So let's start. The 1879 Nobel Prize winner for medicine, Sir Godfrey Hounsfield and Ellen Cormack, were neither doctors nor psychologists. For what did they win the prize? So, for what did they win the prize? They got 1879. They have won the Nobel Prize. They were not related to the this medicine. So they invented the CAT scan machine is there. So they invented this CAT scan machine in an attempt to help himself and his weakening eyesight. Who created the first pair of bifocal glasses? Bifocal glasses was created by Benjamin Franklin. It was done by Benjamin Franklin. Next, this scientist was called to help locate and extract the bullet that shot a US president. Now, this bullet was known as that this was shot by US president was shot by this, which led him to invent something. Name the scientist and the invention, and that is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Next, he worked as a laboratory assistant for the inventor of the safety lamp. Now, he worked as a inventor for the safety lamp, Humphrey Davy, and went on to become more famous than his mentor for his work in electromagnetic inductions. So, name the scientist. That is Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday. Clear? Next, developed a Paul Hawkins, its computer system used in sports such as cricket, tennis, and football, and to usually track the trajectory of the ball and display its most likely path as a moving image. Name the invention, and that is Hawkeye. And that is Hawkeye. So, this invention. You have to just write the name of the inventors. Name the well-known adventurer known for his films about the mysteries of the deep seas, who invented the aqualung, a portable underwater breathing apparatus. That is Jacques Cousteau. Jacques Cousteau, you stay. Next, I have written here underline, so you can write here. Better known as an author, he partnered three inventions of his own, the most famous being the self-pasting scrapbook. Name the author. That is Samuel Clemens. Samuel Clemens. Next, he studied the circulation of blood and the action of the eye. He studied the effect of the moon on the tides and surmised the nature of fossil shells. He invented a large number of igneous machines, including an underwater diving suit. But most of us do not know of him as a scientist. Who is he? He is Leonardo Vinci. He is Leonardo Vinci. He invented a large number of igneous machines, including an underwater diving suit. Is it clear? And most of us do not know him as a scientist. He is Leonardo Vinci. So you have to write the answers, and you can draw the line with the pencil also where the space is given less. Is it clear? So that's all for today.